Hey everyone, today we are diving into the Adam Audio D3V active desktop monitor, a compact yet powerful solution tailored for small studios, home setups and content creators who value precision in their audio work. The D3V is compact enough to fit nicely on your desktop, yet its build feels premium and robust. It features their renowned AMT folded tweeter design, referred to as the D-Art ribbon tweeter. This ensures crisp, detailed highs with an excellent sound stage and a wide sweet spot, making the D3V ideal for mixing, editing, or casual listening. Backed by a 240-watt peak Class D amplifier, the D3V delivers precise and distortion-free playback, even at higher volumes. Its frequency response spans from 45 Hz to 23.2 kHz, providing excellent clarity in the mids and highs. Some bass-heavy genres might benefit from an external subwoofer, but the D3Vs still produce some seriously impressive low-end, especially considering their compact size with bass response that is tight, clean and very controlled. The EQ controls allow you to adjust the low, mid and high frequencies to suit your room's acoustics, and the included speaker stands are great for positioning on a desk. The rear panel features balanced analog TRS and digital USB-C input. This gives flexibility to connect to all kinds of studio equipment as well as other direct playback devices like laptops or mobiles, without the need for a separate audio interface. Additionally, the D3V has a headphone socket on the front panel right next to the volume knob. The Adam Audio D3V is great investment for creators or musicians seeking accuracy in a small form factor. Its innovative technology and high-quality components deliver performance well beyond its size. If your work demands detailed audio monitoring in a compact setup, the D3V is worth considering. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gear reviews. See you in the next one.